Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have the 2016 Porsche Cayman. This is the base Cayman with the 2.7 liter flat 6, back when every Cayman and Boxer came with a flat 6. And I can make that joke because I have a 2018 Boxer with a flat 4 GTS, but nonetheless. Hey, that rhymed. 6-speed manual in this one with a fab speed exhaust just for that little bit of extra sound. Very, very nice build. Sport chrono. Let's see here. 14-way seats, Carrera S alloys, audio system CDR plus, premium package with sports seats, sport chrono, wheel centers with full color Porsche crest, heated steer. Where is it hidden on this? Oh no, it's still behind the wheel. Okay. Multifunction wheel, shipping charge. Now, a base Cayman built the way this one is probably gonna be about a $90,000 sticker. This one was $66,135. Yeah, my GTS in 18 was 99 with a bunch of options, so that's backwards compared to every other car on the planet. Try Sport Plus, see if that changes much. No PSC on this car, but it does have the fab speed exhaust, which cancels that out. Just something so analog about this car. Flat 6, manual, not a ton of power. This is very, very much a momentum car. Now, it has more power than a Miata, but it also weighs a bit more too. So yeah, it's more similar to a Miata driving experience than you might think, and that is a huge compliment. Because even in my GTS, it's a ton of power for the platform, 375 horsepower in that, a lot of torque, 365, sorry, a lot of torque, but this one you really have to kind of wind it out, and that adds a different element to it. You can be flat out in this car a lot more often than in my GTS. When I say flat out, I mean foot to the floor. Driving at 10/10ths, come on, this is still a Porsche. You're not gonna really get to its limits on the street in terms of cornering, braking, and really what this car can do on a track. That's what I mean, where you can be flat out for a lot longer and you can really enjoy that 2.7. why I thought my rev matching was really good on that downshift. Sport Plug gives you auto rev match. Try it myself. So analog. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.